Hi everyone. In this session, we're just going to run through our new error module, which we've just recently launched in Insightech. So our error module proactively picks up all of the errors on your front end through the website. So you'll see a few different error types through here. We've got error messages, 404 errors, UX issues, so rage clicks and dead clicks. We've also got some front end technical issues like JavaScript errors and API errors. So it basically looks through for anywhere where users are getting stuck, where there's friction. For error messages, it's looking through for a set of keywords that look like error messages, which can also be customized by you in our settings. Once it's got all of these, essentially what we're doing in here is we're automatically calculating how many sessions we think are impacted. So we're looking for errors where users are highly impacted and they drop off immediately. So they're showing signs of actually being blocked from converting or progressing. And then based on that, we look at the conversion rates at that particular point, and we'll calculate how many missed conversions we think you've lost and also what that missed revenue is. So in this list, it's basically scanning through your whole website to aggregate everything and just give you the top items in that list. We've also combined this with our AI, so Izzy's at the top here. So you can quickly click her to get a quick summary of all the different errors that we're looking at in this list. So she'll basically pull out everything that you need to know. She'll be able to detect false positives or things that aren't really major issues, even if they're flagging quite a lot. So here we can see that there are a bunch of critical checkout failures, some validation hurdles, and some promotional pages that are dead ends that are leading to poor user experience. We can break that down a bit further so we can see a full detailed response of specifically what she's pulled out. And if we ever want to dive into any particular errors down here as well, we can actually go down and we can click on some. So we might want to look at a rage click here, no stock. Izzy will actually give us a summary of this individual error as well. Here we go. Or we might want to look at some more technical ones as well. So here we've got Izzy summarizing some API errors for us very quickly. You will notice as well that we do also have the calculations down here, so you can see how many highly impacted sessions there are, how many conversions you're losing, and also the missed revenue. And if you want to click through to see exactly where that's happening in your sessions, you can click on it. So kind of like this. We will bring you through to some replays, and you can actually pinpoint exactly where that error is happening in a session. So really what we're trying to do is we're trying to aggregate all of the sessions for you so you can see which ones are the most impactful, but also let you really go in and see specifically where those things are firing. So here we know that it was a G collect. I think it was a G collect one. Yep. In this list, we can type in G collect and we can see the error happening here. And we can jump right to it. And in this list, we can see exactly what was happening beforehand. So right here, we can see there were a bunch of clicks on this link, or there was a click on kids, this link, and then there was an error that happened right after it. So if we wanted to save this for the team, we can click a save note. We say, hi team, it looks like there is an error happening after the kids link is clicked on this page. Can we please investigate? Awesome. So now we have a way to quickly jump people to this precise moment in the replay. We have this task here along with the impacted sessions. So we know we're losing one conversion yesterday and $50. We can now just create a task off the back of that. So here we go, API error investigation. We might want to call it website G collect. What was it? G collect error. We've got a bit of background information in here. We can also put in, here is a link to the replay or a replay example where this is happening. We're just going to put in the monthly impact opportunity as well. What was it? $50 a day. We can quickly calculate about $1,500, just so we can estimate it against the other bugs. I've just flagged it as a bug. And now that goes into a list of bugs, and you have a full list in here. So really what we're doing here is we're just trying to make it easy, so if there is an error, you can turn it into a task and share that link with your team so that they have everything they need to dive into it and to be fixed. But the error module overall, it's really just trying to summarize everything that you've got in across your website, which ones you need to focus on first and when you need to fix them. It gives you a few more details about those sessions as well, and Izzy will basically break down all the technical things in more detail, so just in a language that you can use to communicate to your tech teams to go get these fixed. Along with that, you've also got a way to recreate the issue along with all the front-end code and exactly what was triggering that issue as well. Awesome. If you have any other questions on the error module, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We're always happy to have a chat and help you out with this as well.